in infamy, the anniversary, 75th anniversary of Pearl Harbor. And we're going to be flying down to Houston, Texas today. So this is for our annual Christmas luncheon at the Brennan's restaurant with all of our customers. We have about 60-some people coming to our luncheon, so it's going to be a nice time. Kind of a windy day here, and breezy. We'll be climbing up to 40,000 feet, flight level 400, and it's going to be about a 3.5-hour trip. We have about a 100-knot headwind today, so we're going to be fighting it all the way down there. Weather at Houston is a little overcast, but high enough ceiling, a couple thousand-foot ceiling, 3,500 broken, something like that. Not a problem. Hopefully it's warmer down there than it is here. So anyhow, hope you enjoy this video that we're making and be able to share some of our experiences with you, and we'll talk to you a little bit later. Let's see, 5,000.
Station 80 Hotel Bravo, proceed on course please, maintain 5,000, clear for takeoff.
On course up to 5,000, clear for takeoff, 80 Hotel Bravo. I'll get the pitos. Very good. Got it. I got those lights on. All right. Here we go. Okay, ready?
Yes, sir. Right sign is clear.
97-101.
Yes, sir.
Right down the center line, buddy boy.
Yes, sir. We go now.
Power's coming up.
Yep, you got it. And power is set.
Power set.
Airspeed's live, both sides.
Good. Two good engines.
80 knot cross is good. V1 and rotate. Let's go flying. Pause right.
Okay, buddy boy, here we go. Direct please.
Doesn't get much better than this.
And then Alexandria.
Yeah. Mash the nav button will go right there.
I didn't have to do that.
Bravo on course 5,000, Johnstown. Good day.
On course up to 5,000. Good day. 80 Hotel Bravo going to Johnstown. Good morning, Johnstown. Citation November 80 Hotel Bravo with you off of Palmer, climber through 2,700 for 5,000.
November 80 Hotel Bravo, Johnstown departure, Johnstown altimeter 200, under 8, standby for radar identification.
Roger, 80 Hotel Bravo.
Very nice.
Four for
altitude.
5.
Yeah.
Sir, Hotel Bravo, ident, altitude leaving.
We're leaving 4,500 for 5,000.
Sir, Hotel Bravo, your radar contact 5 miles southwest of Palmer Airport. Turn left heading 200 vector for your climb. Climb and maintain 8,000. Give me your best rate.
Roger, up to 8,000 and heading 200, 80 Hotel Bravo. Right.
Such a plus.
Oh. I don't know what the hell happened that time. I wonder if we did so.
I can't imagine. I think it got a glitch into it somewhere. I'm just happy it's fixed itself.
Yeah. They were coming up on top now. Altitude
2992. Lights are coming off.
Yeah, I'm going to shut the hand ice off here too in a second.
Airport.
Flight level 400.
Good morning.
Just take a look at these headwind. Right now, it's at 127 knots, right on our nose. It's right at, we're in the jet stream. And I tell you what, our ground speed is only 238 knots over the ground. Interesting. So,
Hello, Center Mercury 33.
we're hoping that the higher we go, it'll go down 20, 30 knots, but we'll have to wait and see.
Cleveland Center, good morning.
Like flying in a hurricane. Class 5 hurricane.
Yeah.
I'll show you on the screen here.
Yeah, no, 1675. You want
Right
to
there.
as fast as
You
we
can see it.
until we hit Zeke and then
There's Wapple, and all the rest of our
Delta 1675, yeah. The
crossing
Soviet,
fixes.
already flying against
We have altitude restrictions,
public speed at,
which you can see right here, 280 knots.
Okay, yeah, get
Flight
her
level
one and public
220 to
speed
27.
on them things.
Wilmore's next is 15 to 21.
United 1875.
So that's the way it's going. This is the range
United
tells me where
1875,
we'll be
Center Roger.
when that gets right over top of Wapple. We should be right at 22,000 feet, right over Wapple. So this is how it works going into Houston. We're flying what's called the Wapple 3 arrival.
United
280 knots, which we're almost right on the money there. And the
United
altitude,
21 here, Center Roger.
27.6 coming down. We got to be at 22,000.
13, contact Houston Center, 134.8.
We're right on target, right on speed. So next stop, Houston, Texas.
80 Hotel Bravo, contact Houston, approach 133.05.
3305, 80 Hotel Bravo. Houston, citation November 80 Hotel Bravo with you, 7,000.
There, 80 Hotel Bravo, Houston approach, roger.
Okay, we're at,
Yeah, and I'll take you on the 6 here in just a second.
yeah,
Which one are we going to?
we're coming up on Shug.
Shug, okay, let me find that. Shug at 6,000 feet. And it should go to, yeah, there it is. Okay,
Got it?
good. Yep, 210 on the speed.
Bird shot for 3752 is right there. Out of 7 for 6.
South 6116, reduce speed to 170.
170 speed, southwest
There we are, look.
116.
South 3752, Houston approach, present heading, join the localizer, descend and maintain 4,000.
Present heading will join the localizer and then descent to 4,000 for Southwest 3752.
Citation 80 Hotel Bravo, reduce to 190.
190. Now we're going down to 6.
Yep.
South 6116, turn right, heading 010, maintain 2,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 4 approach.
010, 2050 Dallas, 4 southwest 6116.
Here we go.
Yes, sir.
We're on EMAR now.
Yeah. Yep. And then he should give you vectors after that. Let's see. And then 222 out of there.
Yeah. Well, it would take me all the way here to 2,000,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. So it would make you a strong right turn.
Well, when do I...
South 6116, reduce speed to 160, 160 knots down, connect to tower 118.7.
And you put speed
160 over tower, southwest 6116.
South 3752, looks like I forgot to turn you back towards local. Flight 010, maintain 2,000, no established, cleared ILS 4 approach.
All right, Southwest 3752. No, you did say to intercept, and we're intercepting the localizer. Now cleared the ILS to 4 approach for Southwest 3752.
Thanks, I almost thought I forgot there.
190, but...
0 Hotel Bravo, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000, 80 Hotel Bravo.
South 263, reduce to 190, then
when he
maintain
says that, he means
4,000.
once you increase your rate of
Total
descent.
190, then 4,000 feet, Southwest 263.
South 3752, reduce speed to 160 and contact the tower on 118.7. You're cleared for the ILS.
Yes, sir, we're clear of the ILS, Southwest 3752. We're slowing to 160 and going to tower.
Perfect.
I like to put it...
That was 480 checking on 7.5 for 6,000. Information zero.
0 Hotel Bravo to ready 290, reduce to 170.
290, 170, HO Bravo.
South 480, you can approach will be vectors runway 4.
Runway 4, South 480.
Okay, what was the heading again?
270. Right?
I heard 290. That's
290?
Yep. But
And
you
you
could
said,
be right.
was that 290 or 270 for Hotel Bravo?
Go ahead and make it a 360 now. 360, join the localizer.
360, 80 Hotel Bravo.
Okay, hit approach. Even though he didn't clear you for it, but that's the only way the thing's going to transfer. Yep. And the ghost needle should be
South
here.
263, turn left heading 070 to join the localizer. Descend to maintain 3000.
I don't have ghost needles.
07,
I got this continuity.
join the localizer,
Yeah, okay, change
3000 south of 263.
There you go.
3752, towers 118.7.
But that discontinuity doesn't do it.
South 480, reduce to 190, then maintain
Why can't I
4000.
get ghost needles on the other one?
Speed 190 didn't add up
Never shows
4000
up
south 40.
on that view.
Citation 0, Hotel Bravo's about 4 from Elrin, maintain 2000, no establish on localizer, cleared out 4 approach, 170 all the way to the marker.
170 all over the marker, clear for the ILS 4 approach, 80 Hotel Bravo.
South 263 is 2 from Carco, maintain 2000, no establish on localizer, cleared out 4 approach.
Start it down a little bit harder.
Altitude.
Due to establish, clear the ILS 4 southwest 263.
There you go. This will work now.
South 480, reduce to 170, then maintain 3000.
Speed 170, then down to 3000.
Yeah, we're coming up on it.
South 480.
Yep. I don't have needles there, though. I don't like that. Why don't I have the needles?
They're there.
Citation 0, Hotel Bravo, Counter Copy Tower 118.7, caution wake turbulence, you got a Boeing 737, 8 ahead.
0 Hotel Bravo, roger. Hobby Tower, Citation November 80 Hotel Bravo, with you coming up in ILS.
Number 80, Hotel Bravo, Hobby Tower, 94, clear to land, wind 0208, inside parking.
We're going to Wilson Air.
Roger.
Yeah, Kadoki.
Okay, I got flaps and
Yeah, you got to keep that 170 up now.
yeah, we're right at that. You said to the marker, right?
Yep. So that's SAA there.
I don't know if I should do that. Okay,
Yeah.
we got the approaches on, we're locked on. I don't have the glide slope yet, though.
Yeah, you will. Sitting right up there. What did he say about landing? I was
Wilson Air. Okay, there it is.
And what did he
Okay,
say?
I didn't hear him.
Okay, I didn't either. Okay. Doing good.
Southwest 3752, turn left on Bravo and contact ground point 9
There
when
it
you clear the
is.
cover off
Coming
your
up.
left side, just
There
to be
we go.
holding there.
All right, left on Bravo, contact ground, thanks.
Okay, 99 and 106.
That's it.
170.
Just right where you should be.
Glide slope's alive.
Yeah, we are on. Excuse me. Yeah, just like we're supposed to.
Okay, tell me when you get ground contact, Chief.
I will
Hobby
do
Tower,
that.
south 263, ILS 4.
Southwest 263, Hobby Tower, running 4, clear to land, following a citation on a 4-mile final.
So land 4, southwest 263.
99 and 106.
Yeah, doing good. Look at that reflection.
Kept our speed up pretty good.
No, I think you did great. I think you did great.
$970 feet.
Sure. We're going down to 244.
Ground contact. Piece of cake.
Yes, sir. Just like the simulator. Final gear check, 3 green, no red. We're clear to land. Runway 4 straight ahead, got the runway in sight.
Autopilot.
I was going to say, this guy's running right up your ass.
Well, that's just... Okay, what do we got on the right-hand side there?
What's that?
Modified, we got the Pappy.
Got Pappy, yes.
Southwest 480 is with your runway 4.
Too high,
Southwest
right?
480, Hobby Tower, running 4, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 4, Southwest 480.
Southwest 263, you currently have about a 16 out overtake over traffic on a 1 mile final. Just start reducing your speed available.
We're slow on Southwest 263.
Absolutely
50 feet over the end of the runway.
That's right where you should be.
Okay, what's that about?
Don't worry about it.
Number 0 Hotel Bravo, can you make that right turn on hotel or 13 left? I'm sorry, micro 13 left.
We can make it on 13 left there.
Number 0 Hotel Bravo, turn right on 13 left, right on correction kilo and stay with me.
80 Hotel Bravo there.
Yeah, perfect.
Number 0 Hotel Bravo, thank you very much. Turn right on kilo, cross running 31 left at kilo, then contact ground point 9er.
Right turn on kilo, cross 31 right?
Right on kilo and cross 13 right. We'll go to 120.9.
Say, he wasn't that close to you. Yeah, pitot heats, we're good.
Yeah. Did he clear us across?
Yeah. Yep. You can ask the ground guy.
That went away then, huh?
Yeah.
And Hobby Ground, citation number 80 Hotel Bravo, cleared active, going to Wilson there.
80 Hotel Cross, runway 31 left at kilo, and then left on Juliet to Wilson.
Roger, 31 left on kilo in Juliet.
JetBlue 582 at Charlie, cross runway 4, continue via Charlie to runway 31 left, traffic on a 3 mile final.
Cross 4 at Charlie, continue on Charlie to 31 left, JetBlue 582.
And citation 0 Hotel Bravo, we're going to make a left on Juliet to parking.
Left on Juliet to parking to Wilson there, 80 Hotel Bravo.
263, we're clear at Bravo for 51.
Southwest 263, Hobby Ground, taxi Zulu to park.
Zulu Park, Southwest 263.
That was good. I enjoyed that.
That was fun.
582 Monitor Tower, have a great one.
That was good. That was good practice.
It really was. And the airplane did what it was supposed to do when it was supposed to do it.
Yeah.